Good morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, senior mentor of 1 billion signal, sponsored by Merit Forex. I hope you're having a very profitable week, since the week is very interesting, very dynamic, and I would say very clear in some of the currency pairs. So we're gonna make a quick update about what's going on the market. We're gonna check out the significant levels, how the price is reacting. We do this every Wednesday, as you know. So we have today two very interesting events: core CPI in Canada 12:30 GMT time, and followed by crude oil inventories. Definitely crude oil is gonna be in focus today, so let's get started. As you know, euro US dollar, we don't focus on euro US dollar, so we got kind of downtrend, but still it's not very convincing. So reached the resistance level here, 1.1265. I don't have it as a resistance level because of simple reason, because I just don't trade euro currently. So as you can see, price tried to respect the resistance level, went down, and right now, since the last couple of hours, is trying to push higher. So let's see what is going to happen. GBP US broke out the support level and heading down to the next support, 1.2865. We are going to put 1.2865 right now as new support level, and we have new resistance, which was the previous support, 1.2966. Very important to mention that we definitely can see recovery, because the drop yesterday was quite significant, and 65 pips, and now we can see slight recovery to the upside, and we definitely could say the GBP is in bearish mode. Australian US dollar broke out the support. We discussed that so many times. So now we can see exactly the same like the GBP. We can see slight recovery to the upside. This is very significant resistance zone, 0.6961 and 0.6987. Very significant resistance, and I think it's worth to follow and watch how the price is going to react around this level. Definitely we are bearish. It's not even necessary to mention that. So I'm gonna looking for definitely shorting opportunities on the Australian dollar. New Zealand US, quite the same like the Australian one, broke out the support, 0.6579, so which right now we have resistance on this level, and we definitely can say the last here recent lows, 0.62550. We're gonna put this as a new support level. I'm gonna delete this resistance, a little bit change, because it's not relevant anymore, and it really depends how the price is, what the price is gonna do. Is it gonna go directly to the support level, or we're gonna see a slight recovery? I don't believe New Zealand is gonna make a recovery, because of a simple reason, because already made yesterday. As you can see here, this daily candle, New Zealand dollar broke out this support here on Monday. After that, opened here and started recovering to the upside. So practically this recovery that we've been expecting on GBP and Australian already happened to New Zealand US. Definitely good shorting opportunity. Follow it carefully. USD Canadian, as you know, I'm going directly to crude oil. Before that, 63.00 here resistance, 60.41 support level, very significant levels. Definitely I'm gonna keep them. As you can see, the crude oil is ranging between these two levels, so it's very important to see what's gonna happen with the crude oil inventories today. So we definitely can see breakout of one of these levels, 63. 2 days ago, the crude oil tried to break out the resistance level. It was false breakout. I would say quite logical, because started from almost started from the support level, and actually went up significantly. So it was logical false breakout. Now it really just depends on the crude oil. USD Canadian, we're gonna get back. Still it's very connected to crude oil. USD Canadian, as you can see, for the last 10 days, I would say it's ranging on a daily basis. Nothing significant, nothing clear. I'm gonna keep exactly the same levels, 1.3520 as resistance level and 1.3374 as support level, with minor resistance, current minor resistance 1.3466. It's important because this level is important because, as you can see, the price is ranging around it, and that's why I call it minor resistance, because as you can see, it's not clearly respected. It's just the price is like it's neglecting this level. So this is my idea about this minor resistance level. And USD Canadian dollar is ranging just because the crude oil, as we already mentioned, is ranging for the last couple of days. USD Swiss, we have new resistance 1.0100 here. It's a resistance zone combined with 1.0124. So I'm going just to delete this resistance, definitely not relevant, and I'm gonna place a new support level, 1.0049, 1.0050, whatever, exactly the same. So now, as we can see, USD Swiss franc broke out very significantly this support and recovery immediately on the next day, yesterday. So we can see continuation of this recovery today to the resistance zone. Then this is exactly the time when you have to start focusing on USD Swiss franc, or we can trade this out as breakout trade of the support level. Currently we can say definitely USD Swiss franc went to bearish mode, bearish momentum. We have very strong one for the last couple of days, 150 pips, and let's see what is going to happen. USD Japanese yen, one of my favorite instruments, one of my favorite currency pairs, just because it's very clear chart we have, and most of the time we have very clear chart trends and momentums, quite logical moves. We can see we're having for the last 15 days almost everyday drop of USD Japanese yen. Broke out 2 days ago, broke out the support line, and right now the logical recovery to the upside to test the resistance level again. So we are going to change this resistance to new support, and practically we have 109.70 as resistance level and 109.01. We can even put it as round number 109 as support line. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments below. Have a very profitable week. Don't forget about the crude oil and the core CPI today. Very major events for the Canadian dollar and the US dollar, and also, by the way, for the crude oil, since you know Canada is a very big producer of crude oil, so this is definitely the core CPI in Canada is going to influence the crude oil later on. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy the day. Expect my video on Friday. Bye bye.